beginner stage. That beginner stage discuss about the basic and flow control. That discuss about the introduction of Python, variable and data types, input output operators, conditional statements, loops, basic functions. Then we go to the intermediate stage where we deals with the data structure and functions. There will be some things are there that will be strings, list, tuple, dictionaries, set, advanced functions, file handling. There's data structures of Python. Then we go to the OOPS concept and model concept of the Python. In the advantages, we discussed about the object-oriented programming, model and packages, error exception handling, iterator generator, decorators, regular exception, virtual environment, dependency management. Then we go to the expertise. Expertise is the help to our in our job where we work to the real life jobs like with a data science scientist. If we have a AML specialist, then we go through the expertise. In expert stage, we discuss about the libraries, frameworks, real world apps. In expert phase, we discuss about the NumPy, which deals with the arrays and methods. Then we go to the pandas, where we data frames and data analysis. Then we go to the matplotlib C1 for visualization of data. Then we go to the request and beautiful soup. For web scraping, we use requests and beautiful soup. Then we go to the SQL alchemy that we purely connected with the database and DBMS. Then we go to the multi-threading, multi-processing. Then we go to the web development using Django and Flash. Then we go to the data science and machine learning basic like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch. These are the basic things of machine learning and data science. Then we go to the automation of Python like Selenium, PyAuto GUI scripting. Capstone project combine multiple concepts. That's the four stages of Python. We complete these four stages.